R1 will be the temperature in Fahrenheit. R2 will be the final temperature in Celsius. Did I? Oh, okay, I spelled it right. R3, R4, and R5 and the formula for calculating is F minus 32.0 times 5.0 divided by 9.0. We will not be using floating point numbers, so I'm going to first things first, load immediate R3 with the constant 32, load immediate R4, the constant 5, and load immediate register 5 with the constant 9. We will be using a temperature of R1, it will be the temperature in Fahrenheit, and we will do 100 to begin with. The first step is to subtract. Sub R2 will be our temporary result. We are going to subtract R1 and R3. So what is happening here is R1 minus R3 equals R2. Alright, and now we will, as order of operations says, multiply. And we will again store our result in R2. R2 will be where we pull our first number on this side, and our constant will be R4. Next, we will divide and remainder. We will store R2. We will store the remainder in R0, and we will divide R2 by R5. And if we compile, we can see that, first of all, these numbers are in hex, so we will take a hex converter. First, take 100, convert it, rather, it will be hex, so we should do this direction. So that is 100, 25 is 37, that is register 2, so that temperature is what we have, and if we sanity check these other three registers, we will get 20 being 32, 5 obviously being 5, and 9 being 9.